register to me.
Me and Billy Burr used to live on 97th and Lex, I think in the late 90s.
Oh man.
And it was fucking crazy. We used to have to do our laundry in the projects.
Oof.
They had a laundromat in the projects.
Yeah, walk up a few blocks.
Yeah, a few blocks. But I remember there was this fucking. We used to sit on the stoop. I used to smoke, get the Post. Remember getting the paper, my little shitty cup of bodega coffee.
Yeah, having the blue
Just
fucking white
the
with
blue,
the
right, the Greek thing,
yeah,
right?
the Greek, yep.
I'd have my cigarettes. And I'd read the paper, and there would be this homeless lady with just shit. But she was so polite. She was like, "Yo, baby, I'm gonna clean it." And she would
Like,
clean
what else can you ask? You know?
She would bag it like a dog. And she just wanted a little privacy underneath the stairs. Like a little. She would take it with her.
Just tie it up and.
Yeah, there was no
I mean,
point where I
really,
was just
what
like,
else? That's actually if they all did that, it would be. It'd be
I
all right,
actually,
you know? It'd be better.
the other day, the first thing that ever kind of registered to me, not ever, but lately, was I was walking here, and I'm going to gag a little bit, I think, telling the story, and I apologize. I was walking up 7th Ave, and there was a clear pile of shit that was like kind of getting to be gone, and it just had a spoon in it.
Oh.
And I was just like staring at it, and I was like, what was the spoon used for? What was this?
That's a magical Instagram story, if you ask me. I mean, you could have got a fucking 10,000 views on that.
That's why we started talking, was because I've been here my whole life, and he's gonna go puke. Go puke. Go ahead.
Do you have kids?
No, God,
Dude, when you get
he's
kids,
not gonna be able to.
that'll go away.
Yeah. Well, either that or you're just gonna be puking all the fucking
Yeah, when
time.
you have a kid, dude, and you see a head come out of a vagina.
Did you watch?
I watched.
I didn't watch. I stayed above the.
I wasn't
above the
supposed to
wall.
watch. My wife told me I don't want you watching, which I respect her.
Yeah.
Because she's from Everett,
yeah.
Mass, and she's like, I don't want you fucking down there, kid.
Yeah. So why'd you end
Fucking
up down
stay
there?
clear of my fucking vag, dude.
Yeah.
And
I don't get why. Like, yeah, why would the girls want you to see it? Why would the guys want to see it?
the
I don't.
fucking doctor. It was 3:15 in the morning, and nobody was there. And there was a really nice lady that kept coming in, and then this really just twat. I mean, the fucking personality of a flip flop. And the doctor came in, and it was me and the doctor and this flip flop fucking asshole. And my wife literally was the doctor went, "It's time," and my wife went, "I don't want her here."
Yeah, I mean, it's bad enough to deal with assholes, let alone when you're doing like the hardest thing in the fucking world to do. You know what I
Right.
mean? Like, get the hell out of
But
here.
most people will be a people pleaser, or you don't
Yeah,
have that.
no,
you know what
yeah.
I mean? It's
Yeah,
like
yeah,
even when
yeah.
you get delivery, if they fuck up, it's okay. You know what?
Right.
Never
She's not
mind.
that one.
I don't. I don't want
Yeah.
her here. And the flip flop just went okay and walked out because she's a flip flop. The doctor went, "I need your help." I was like,
Oh fuck.
"Dude, I went to community college at Bunker Hill for fine art.
Yeah.
I'll throw up at my shit. I'm gonna puke." And I remember when it came out, my kid had hair. So her hair and his hair. So it just looked like this hair monster. I did, and I do have a joke in my act about it, but she shit. Like a nugget came, and I love you, honey. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to help other fucking husbands to know that.
Get ready.
I'm fucking.
Yeah.
We're here.
Yeah.
It was so what? And then the worst time we used to play. You have a kid, right? How many
Yeah,
kids
2.
you got? You got 2. So you've been through this. When they shit, when they first come out, right?
Yeah.
So we used to play shit roulette. So we would change every time who had to change.
Uh-huh.
So whoever got the shit, you lost, right?
Yeah.
So I got pee 5 times in a row.
Oh.
So I'm like,
that's.
I'm getting shit. I know.
Yeah,
so
right.
we take the thing off, and I open it. It's pee. I'm like, woo! Right then, he projectile vomited some fucking.
Yeah.
I don't know what it was, and
Not
then
even human.
diarrhea just shot out of his asshole. I mean, like a fountain. And then I went, oh! And he pissed, and it went in my mouth. Wait. There's more. My wife was laughing so hard. Because you know your vag is fucked up after you give a kid, right? She pissed her pants. She pissed right on the floor. Fucking, it was the worst.
What moment though?
Why does anyone have children?
They're literally
that
pissing
one
in
scene,
mouths.
I'm
and-
out of this interview. I'm going to get a vasectomy. I'll fucking catch you guys later.
Well, he always says that. Like, I'll tell a relatively harmless story, but it's just about how expensive they are, how hard it is, how much you don't sleep. And he's like, why do people have kids?
Yeah.
Now we're talking about pissing in mouths and pissing on floors. Like, and you willingly chose this.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
One time, my daughter was in her. So she was like a little bit older. I don't know, she's probably 2. I'm never good at remembering the ages, but she was old enough to be doing like a dance class, but still a baby, right? So, but she's in her tights and her tutu and all that, and she shits her pants. She shits herself. Shits her tutu. And so now it's like a one piece mixed with the tights, you know. So it's not an easy situation.
Glitter everywhere.
It was so, and she must have like just been out of diapers, so it wasn't even about changing her diaper. It was like. And I remember like getting her out of it, and then I was like pulling the tights, and it like slingshotted the shit because I was like pulling it, and it was too tight, and then I finally got it off, and it just went, boom, and it fucking went flying.
Yeah.
And I was ready. I was gagging. It was a whole scene, man.
My kid's he's backed up all the time.
My son's that way.
Yeah, I mean, when he first was a baby, I'm such a psycho. I just YouTubed.
Mm-hmm.
And there was like some grainy Russian video where they're like,
to
you
get him to shit?
bend baby over. And they literally have this baby. They're just
I've seen it,
his
yeah.
head and pushing it.
Yeah.
So I'm sitting there with my kid, and and then I talked to my doctor. He's like, no, you could have murdered your baby. Like, don't go to YouTube anymore. Like, I could have just snapped his fucking neck. Could you imagine if I just
I
had
was
my
trying to get into poop, and you broke his
just
fucking
at the
neck.
guest room at my mother's house in Marblehead, just snap my own. You know what I mean? Just I had to walk out with just my kid. What happened? He wouldn't shit, and I snapped his neck. Why? Just
happened.
but
Dude.
That's also not fair though. The doctor to be like, well, no, don't do that. Like, well, I don't know, man. Like, you made me help deliver him. I figured I could figure it out on my own.
I'm half a doctor now. I brought this kid in.
my kid though. There's something with shit where they don't like. The longer they wait, the bigger it gets.
Yeah.
Right. So
Naturally.
my kid is shit. Like a shit. Like
an adult male shit, like
it's
a football.
not even adult. It's like a fucking animal. Like a boot. Like it's like. So I invented, and I want to go to Shark Tank, a shit knife.
Oh,
Because you can't, you have to cut it like a fucking, Brazilian churrascaria fucking steak.
Why are you? Wait, what?
Because it doesn't go down.
so we're
So
talking in the
shit-
toilet. We're not
dude,
doing
either-
diapers anymore. We're
either-
doing.
Now I have to either wait, like let it fucking dissolve, and then it smells like a pond in the fucking bathroom. Like, and we
Or
all
you
have,
gotta
I have to,
plunge
we all
it,
have
yeah.
to piss on it every day,
Yeah.
just to, or you cut it up like a fillet, right? So I invented. Yo, dude.
I can't believe you were laughing. I was like, I'm waiting for it.
I have I swear to God, in my fucking utility closet, I have metal coat hangers that I've invented this knife. It's a handle and it cuts the
So
shit.
it's like long enough that you
So
can
yeah,
get in there.
you can get in there and you can cut the shit up. But I want to go to Shark Tank and invent the shit knife. 'Cause
So wait. You took a coat hanger, unraveled
Coat,
it.
you
What
get
kind
the
of
coat hanger,
knife did you?
You bend it.
like
No, you bend the coat
Oh,
hanger.
got it.
The coat hanger's the
Is
knife.
the knife. I see.
So you bend it. You got a nice handle. The hook, if you bend that, becomes a little sharp,
shink,
so you can slice it up, and then it goes down, and then you just throw the coat hanger out. He sounds like me. Back on, dude. I'm telling you, have a kid. That all goes away.
That's so.
You know how much a plumber costs at 3 a.m? Fucking $350. All right, that's just for him to show up.